Hi guys, welcome back to Asvi Be Creative. Today is a very special day because it's our 5th wedding anniversary, and sad part is that Vivek is not here. He is back to Goa and we are at hometown. So it's very first anniversary that we are not together, which is sad, but that's okay. We will celebrate anniversary once we are together, so that is not a big problem. It's little sad, but that's okay. So today I will show you guys my wedding pictures because a lot of you guys have been asking me for this, and I will explain to you guys what I have worn, everything, because all of the dresses have been designed and stitched by myself. So let me start with engagement pics. So for engagement I have worn settu munda. It's not settu sari, it's different from settu sari. If you guys can see, it's two piece and one is worn as a munda and the other piece is worn as a sari. So this is how it looks like. And for blouse I have chosen this brocade piece and I have given stone detailing, and I have stitched a normal blouse with the front open, and I have given a bead detailing at the neck and as well as for sleeves. And at the border of sleeves, if you guys can see, there is a different pattern going on. There is 3 kind of fabrics which I have woven in a particular pattern, so as it gives a different look. It was actually a little bit difficult to stitch, but it came out pretty well. And there is also a hanging at the sleeves. So this is how it looks like. And here is our engagement picture. I think I have lost couple of kg. Next picture I will show you guys the close-up of mine, and the makeup is done by myself. It was very simple. I have just applied a layer of compact powder and kajal and eyeliner. I have done my eyebrows and a lip gloss. That's it guys, as simple as that. That's it. And during this time I was 22 and I was completely unaware of makeup. I didn't know anything about makeup. All I knew about makeup was just kajal and eyeliner. So it was during my engagement time I bought a compact powder for very first time, and even lip gloss. So lip gloss and compact powder, I have used it for the very first time for my engagement. So both the necklace is gold and the earrings is the fake one, artificial one, and even bangles are fake one. So there's a hip hanging as well. And this mehendi is done by myself. And it came out pretty well, even though I'm not good at that. And hairstyle is pretty simple, the very typical normal Malayali hairstyle it is. So I have taken 2 strands of hair from this side, and I have clipped it at the back, and I have put in a lot of jasmine flower. It was pretty simple. It was very simple, very natural, and so maybe because of that, once I look back, I feel really good about it. So let's move on to the marriage look. Before that, I will show you guys what I have worn for the previous day of marriage. So the first outfit is this half sari. So I have stitched this half sari with the leftover fabric I had. I had this brocade fabric. So what I have done is I had this multicolor fabric which is this magenta, and it has got leaf motifs of different shades. And another one is green and golden brocade fabric. So I have attached both these together. There is 6 panels, 3 of multicolor brocade fabric and 3 of other green color brocade fabric. I have attached these 6 panels together. It's a kind of fish cut, or like I wouldn't say exactly fish cut. It's kind of A lines. And blouse, pretty simple. It's a princess line blouse. It's not actually a sari blouse. It's a crop top blouse. And at the neckline I have given a little bit of stone detailing. Even to sleeves I have given stone detailing. And dupatta actually is of my salwas dupatta. I absolutely love this dupatta. This actually, as I said, salwas dupatta, but I didn't want to wear salwar for the previous day. That is the reason I made this half sari so that I can wear this dupatta. The one side stone detailing is absolutely stunning. I really loved it. And the makeup is pretty simple. I have done it by myself. It's same makeup as that of my engagement function, but only difference is that I have applied little bit of eyeshadow, and it was for the very first time I have been applying eyeshadow. That's on my previous day of my wedding. That was really exciting for me. And the accessories are everything artificial jewelry. So I have worn want this jasmine flower, and I absolutely love this mantika. And here is my mom. So if you guys can see, my hair is not that long. That's because I had cut my hair just before that day, 2 days before my marriage. So that's why my hair is short. I think I was a little bit more chubbier. Let me know in the comment section down below which look you like. Do you like me right now or the way I look for the wedding? Let me know that. And the next outfit I wore on the same day is this ready-made sari or lacha sari. It's like a skirt at the bottom part, and also it has got a sari like part as well. It is a single piece, but I had to alter a lot with this because it's very big piece and it was not suiting me because I am pretty lean. And blouse is stitched by myself. It has got a very beautiful detailing at the back, and this time the mehendi was done by my friend. I really loved it. And that's it. So these were the two looks I wore for the previous day of my wedding. Now let's move on to the wedding day, my very big day. So this is the outfit. This is the beautiful red sari. I have bought this sari from Kalyan. Mangtika, I have made it from my earrings. I was in search of good mangtika and I didn't find it at all. So what I did was like I just took my earring and I knotted a thread, and that's what is used as mangtika. And this picture I absolutely love, really close to my heart. It's just, this picture is taken just after my marriage, that is after that tali gattal. And this sari blouse is again stitched by myself. It's very simple, normal sari blouse, nothing special. Only thing I have done little bit of stone detailing at the back side, if you guys can see right now, and there is a small hanging as well. I really love the makeup of wedding day because it's really good, guys. It's pretty natural. It's not over to top. At the same time, it's really nice. I don't know how to explain. It's very first time I have been done a full-on makeup, that too from a parlor. This has been done from a parlor in Kerala in my hometown called La Fame. I really loved the way how they have put the accessories all together, and the makeup, eye makeup, lip makeup, the foundation, everything was really good. Before makeup, they did ask me like whether I want to go for a fairer look or of my own skin tone. Of course, you guys know me. I said I want to go for my own skin tone. And here is my mom. And this picture again, I love it a lot actually. And here is the second sari. On the wedding day, we wear two saris. One is the main sari. While we are going to our husband's home, we will wear the sari which has been given by them. So this sari is given by Vivek's family, and this is pink in color. This sari is again chosen by me because the whole shopping was done by both families together. Me, Vivek, both of our family, everyone was there. So if you guys can see, the jewelry is not set properly. That was because we didn't have that much time, so it was in hurry burry. So that's all about wedding function. And now I will show you guys my reception functions outfit. So here is the outfit. So I have worn lehenga, which is in shade maroon and green, and the blouse is completely stitched by myself, and this skirt was semi-stitched. I actually did a little bit of alterations. That is, the skirt was pretty big for me, so I did a bit of alterations and few work here and there, and the skirt was pretty much easy to do because it, as I said, it was semi-stitch. Blouse, I did work pretty much a lot actually because I stitched a princess line blouse and with a slit in the middle, and if you guys can see, there is a lot of stone work going on at the neck, and also bead work is there at the neckline as well as sleeves. Each and every stone, if you guys can see, that single stones at the neckline, there is like stone work. It's single stone. I have sticked it with fabric glue, and also there's like green motifs, again that is again sticked with the help of fabric glue. And this is how we look like, but I was absolutely not at all happy with the makeup. If you guys can notice, they haven't done my eyebrows, so that's a main drawback. Oh my god, you guys, if you know me, you guys know how much I love my eyebrows. Actually, I didn't had that much time to look at the mirror. After doing makeup, we were just rushing to the reception's venue. You guys can clearly see the difference between the wedding makeup as well as the reception makeup. Here for the reception, they have done the makeup, and makeup was like okay, it's not bad, but definitely they have done my base makeup little bit more lighter, which I do not prefer, and also they haven't done my eyebrows. Those two things I absolutely hated, okay, but then it's okay. And here the accessories are not gold, it's artificial accessory, all the bangles, necklace, and Mangtika. If you can see the dupatta, I have put on few hangings for the dupatta, as well as there is hanging for the skirt. There is a small hip chain as well. So all in all, I absolutely loved the outfit. Even accessories is something I really loved, but I was not that happy with the makeup. So that's it for the reception function. Now I will show you guys two salwars, like which I have stitched for that wedding thing. I've actually stitched 6 to 7 salwars, but I didn't find pictures of all of them. I could find only these two. So this salwar was actually inspired from a character in a Hindi serial. I don't know its name. Actually, the characters are like Arnav and Khushi, and this character Khushi always wears these kind of anarkalis with the yoke will be like velvet and the bottom part be of chiffon or net fabric. So I was so much inspired by that salwar, and I stitched this one inspired by that. So this velvet yoke was actually of my mom's blouse. I did a little bit of stone detailing, and then the bottom part is of net fabric. Even dupatta is of net fabric. Border is of brocade fabric, and the chudi bottom is of cotton fabric and of brocade border. So I really can't remember the serial name, guys. If you guys remember, please do comment that down below. I cannot recollect. So the next salwar is of different pattern, but again the yoke part is of brocade, which has got multicolor motifs going on. It's of princess line pattern, and if you guys can see, actually horizontal panels, not vertical panels. So that's very flary and very beautiful. And the chudi bottom is of it's of what material it is. It's not cotton for sure, some kind of material, I do not remember. The border is same as of yoke. It's of brocade border, and it's full sleeves. So that's it, guys. I really hope you guys must have enjoyed watching this. If so, you guys know what to do. Please do give this video a big thumbs up, as well as subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Do not forget to click that tiny little bell icon next to that subscribe button, so that you guys get notified whenever I upload a video. And please do comment down below which one is your favorite outfit, and also let me know what are your thoughts on my outfit. I would really love to hear from you all. So see you very soon. Bye bye. Take care. Love you all. Mwah.